Hello, my name is Simona. I'm crochet designer and I'm creating modern, easy and stylish crochet projects. In this YouTube channel, you will see and know how to crochet with macrame cord. I'm creating video tutorials, step-by-step video tutorials, how to crochet totes, bags, purses, clutches, carpets, rugs and placemats. Everything is really easy and fun to make. For most of my projects, I am using high quality monomer studio cord. You can find also the macrame cord on my website. Also, I created do-it-your-kits for the projects for you, easy to find and easy to make. What you have to do, just get the do-it-your-kit, open the instructions and start creating your project. Also, you can find me on Instagram, Monome Studio. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here for you and enjoy crocheting.